Hi friends. This is Tina to introduce the new product Vertical ERV. It has the following features. First is the ERV with the 1 key fan boost function. Second, the energy saving easy fan with 4 speeds. And third, the motion with 3D Counterflow heat exchanger with high efficiency up to 95%. And first is the bypass function and automatic temperature adjustment. And fifth is the motion with the EPP inner structure for good installation and silent operation. And sixth, the motion equipped with the 4-piece temperature sensor and 2 pieces humidity sensors, real-time monitoring of humidity and temperature. And seventh, the motion body and remote control to control the motion. It is one of the most efficient heat recovery ventilators. Welcome to send us an inquiry.